Hello and welcome to my tutorial. My name is Mike and I will show you today how you install Atavism-Databases on the Linux server from the scratch on. If you have any experience about the single steps, just see below the videos the single capture for installation, the different things. So first is, if you want to install the Atavism on-premise server, you can go to the Atavism-Online.com. Under the wiki you will find the guide for the installation. I will do this tutorial on the base of this guide just on a video site, because from my experience I have some problems, and I want to show you in case you will not have the same problems than me. So first what we need is our server. I will install here a test server with 4 cores, 8 GB of RAM, and I will use the Ubuntu system. I will set up also the root passwords, and then I'm starting here now this machine. For the information of this video, if we have some delay, or no delay, we have the waiting time, so I will stop the video or I will cut it later, so you have not to wait for the single steps. But of course I want to do in a good time. Yeah, we will see. So the server is installed. I will start now the system, and here I will get the IP address. I will delete this system after this tutorial, so it's not necessary to note this IP address for hacking this system. Here we are. This server is really blank, so we have no Apache, we have nothing. You can see there's no response from the system. So let's try to install the Apache server. So this apt-get install is the installation of the Ubuntu system. If you have SUSE or something else, of course there's different. I just reload now the web page and you can see the default web page, it's there. Now we will install the MySql server. Here's the same, they will get the packages. Now it's time to set the password for the root server of the MySQL. And we were waiting for the process if it's already installed. And then we will try the connectivity to the server just for confirm it's working. So now we will go and try to connect. It's -u for the username and -p for the password. So just try to log in, and here we go. It's there. Also what I like is to have is the phpMyAdmin. It's a tool for accessing the database over the web interface. We're choosing here the Apache. So here there's asking for configure the database with the phpMyAdmin with a yes. There needs the administration password for the MySQL. And now we can log in. Here we go. Here it's our databases, and we can here set up some users and something else. What I like also to have on a server is the Webmin. So just for installation of the Webmin, you go here to webmin.com. copy and paste these commands. It's for the Debian, but it works also Ubuntu. Yeah, you can see here there's some errors, and here there's complaining to missing. Just install these packages as well. After the installation, we need a reboot of the system. And after the reboot, we can log in here on this web page. So I guess the reboot is done. So we will log in again. And we try to connect to Webmin. The browser is complaining here on this side because this certificate is not valid. It's a private one. So you can see here on this path, it's very important if you have a certificate for validation, the root certificate must be valid also. You have here different steps. And you see here, this is the top certificate. So there is no root certificate over this one. You can see this is invalid. If you go productive to this one, you can use official certificates for free. Just search it in the internet, so you don't have to pay for it. We will go and log in to Webmin. This overview, it's the default view. It's not very nice, so just we can change it here under the Webmin configuration and then themes. We will choose, for example, the MSC Linux theme, but this is also not nice. So we will change again to another one. Which one we'll using? I guess this one. Yes, my favorite. Okay, so you have here also an overview. And there's, you can see with one view, there are some packages available. We will do it later because after this update, we need again a reboot. The first, what we will do now is the installation the Turtle Firewall. For this one, you go to the turtlefirewall.com. Just on the left side, download the latest release. They will forwarding you to the SourceForge. Download here this package. And yeah, wait for a while. We must go to the download, extract this one. And inside of this folder, there is a package for the Webmin. Webmin configuration. And then somewhere is the modules, but for me it's easy. I will search for it. Modules here. Upload from the local file. Just use this one. Install the module. And then just press here to the Turtle Firewall. And you see here, there's complaining about the missing package. We will install also this one. Install complete. So we have to find normally on the network. I will check. We need some packages as well. So it's a good time to install now the missing packages. Install complete. Reboot, yes. So for the time we were waiting for the reboot, what we need also is the packages for the server. You can find this on the Atavism online page on the HP panel. Just log in here go to the downloads and download what you need. For me, I will try to make the latest server version in the test version, of course. It's here the 2.7. I will download this one and also the Unity package for the project, this one. So the download is done with the first package. We can unpack this one. Here we go. So the server is back, I guess. Yes. To transport these files to the server, use the IP address. And there is a software that's calling WinSCP. You can use, I will show you. WinSCP, it's for free. Just put the IP address here, username and password. It's with the port 22, so it's a SSH. And then I go to my download or folder. Here's the server. I will bring it to the server, to the Linux server. So we can use this time. Yeah, we will use this later. So, okay, this is uploading. Still continue, and we are done with the reboots. So just reload this page. And I want to see the Turtle Firewall is there. Yeah, here is. I will install the scripts. So just for clarifying, we will set up now the server complete, and then we start with the Atavism, because for me it's important. We will start first with the firewalling and then with the other things, because if you make some mistakes in a firewall, you will see it very fast. So if everything works, and you will start later with the firewall, and it can be happens you will forget something. So that's why, but this is in my case, you can use in difference if you like. Okay, we have here the rules. This is from the internet to all except everything. So this is not very funny. We need a new rule. The typical firewall is in the two steps. It's from the internet to the net. It's going to the LAN, to the local area network. So the source is the internet and the destination is the LAN. Of course, you can make one step between, but for this one, it's okay, I guess. So what we need is HTTP and the SSL for the web page. We need also the MySql server. Mail we don't need at the moment, as we need this one, otherwise we can work. We need the Webmin. World Wide Web. What is this in the up? It's funny. World Wide Web, and here it's the same for me. Well, it's okay. So this is the services, and we need TCP except create. So I hope I make everything right, otherwise we have to start from the beginning. So I will turn off this rule. If I make any mistakes, so we are out, we will see what's happening. This works. Nice. What's about this one? we're still there. I will duplicate the session. It works. Yes. And I guess the normal page is working also. Nope. What about the IP address? Yes, it works. Why? Ah, this is this one. I didn't set up. Okay, nice. Everything is works, what we need. This will be fine. Go back to the firewall. To the rules. Huh? There's no services. I make a mistake. Okay, let's try again. Hopefully without any mistakes. Wait, why is this working? So the firewall is not on? No, it's not on. Oh, this is my luck. Because here I'm missing the services is TCP, it's active, yes, but I'm missing the services. This is what I'm wondering. So yeah, this was close. So concentration, port 80, 443, we need SSH for 22 here. We need the port 10,000 for the Webmin. Services safe, and I guess it's, yeah, it looks complete different here, you see? This is the problem. So now I will start a firewalling now. And I hope, yes, it works. I will duplicate this session again. It works also. Okay, I make a mistake with the password, but it works. And the Webmin, I guess it's working also. Yeah, nice. Okay, now the firewall is active. We can try if I will remove the SSH just to see it works. Safe. And I will duplicate this one for my understanding why it's working. This is awesome. What's wrong? Why the firewall stops? I will start. Firewall is on or off. Why the hell is not starting? What's wrong? Well, I have an idea. I guess this IP tables, we need IP tables. So without IP tables, we have no firewall. So I will install. I mean, it's okay. This tutorial is not quite perfect because I didn't try it before. But I mean, of course, you can see now and learn what can be happens on these issues. So I will try to start now the firewalling. And I hope I kick not out myself. Oh no, no. I think we are out now. Oh. What's wrong? I have any chance to get here on this system? With a backdoor? Yes. I can go here. And I can stop the IP tables here. Oh no, there's no tab. Ah, I hate. Come on, what is this for console? I really hate this console. So the firewall is stopped and I hope we have access again. Yeah. Okay, so we have to fix the firewall is working. That's nice, but I make some mistakes. This is not nice. Okay, let's check the firewall again. We have here the items. The items LAN is my Ethernet. The item LAN is part of the internet. Okay. So let's check the rules. Internet, LAN, LAN. Yeah, this is bullshit. Internet and LAN is the same. So we have to change it to the firewall. From the internet to the firewall, from the firewall to the internet. Like this. Because it's in and out. No, different. Sorry. Firewall to the internet like this. In, out. So we will save this. We will start. And we will try to reload web page. It works. So this means the Ubuntu, the PuTTY is not working because there is no... Yes, it's not working because there is no rule in the firewall. We will change this and will allow also the SSH. This one. Same here. So. Okay. Let's try to duplicate this session. Here we go. Login. It works. Okay, our firewall, it's now ready. Ready for Rumble. We are safe. Safer than before. Okay. This is our base, what we need. So let's go back to this one. What we need. MySQL Java. We didn't install Java. We're looking for Java. I guess this yeah, JDK. JDK. Yeah, we can install this one. Default JDK. Oops. Haha. They have no chance to contact because the firewall is up now. HTTP. We can close this now. HTTP. What we need? I guess the DNS, we need a DNS, yeah. Net. Yeah, the time protocol is also important, but the name service, where's the name services? BIOS session, not really. Name services, here DNS. Here the same. DNS and NetBIOS we can use. So, NTP, okay, I forgot the NTP here. NTP is for the time, if you want to sync your time from the server to the other server and from the server in the internet. So, save. Apply. And let's try. It works now. The problem in the first one is they want to contact the server in the internet, but he can't because they have no net. They have no access to the name server. So without name server, no IP address. Without IP address, no contact. So we can prepare a user for the databases. So we have the phpMyAdmin. We will create a user for access the database for later. So we will create here a new user. We will say whatever, game server user, for example. In my case, of course, I want to have access from outside to the SQL server. That's why I say any host. Password, we will generate one. No, this is bollocks. It's too much. I will use test 11. It's only for the video, like this. So without any access here, create a user. Here it's from all. Okay. We are done here. Nice. Go back to the page. So we will see what is the next steps. The first step is we install a MySQL. Java, it's done. Extract the folders. We did already. Yeah, here's the ATA server. It's already done. And what we have to do is now we have to set up the databases. So we go here, I guess, in the SQL folder. Yeah, we will install now these servers. The databases. For this one, we're using the MySQL-U, then the root user, P for the password, open like this. So they will import the databases. What is this install SQL? What is inside? Yeah, of course we need this also. Install. So we will go back here and reload. Reload. Now you can see we have here admin, Atavism, Word, content, and master. This is the 4 new databases. Our user, we will give now the grant access to this 4 databases. Admin, check all. The next one is this one, check all. Next one is the master, check all. And the word content, check our. So our user is now prepared for this for databases with full access.